Fluke 2638A Hydra Series 3 continues the Hydra series legacy of precision multi-channel data acquisition. DC measurement accuracy of 0.0024%, basic 0.5 degrees Celsius thermocouple accuracy, full color display, easy to use menu system, and industrial safety ratings put the 2638A in a category of its own as a precision data acquisition system. The dedicated 6.5 digital multimeter mode provides additional utility and value. The 2638A is ideal for acquiring data in a wide variety of applications, including manufacturing, research and development, maintenance, and validation studies. The 2638A is expandable from 22 to 66 channels of different analog inputs. Using optional Fluke DAX 6.0 application software, the system is scalable to over 1,000 channels. The 2638A incorporates the Fluke patented Universal Input Connector, which lets you connect and disconnect almost any type of input to any channel quickly and easily. The Universal Input Connector brings more accuracy to thermocouple measurements than most other instruments in its class. Each 2638A has 3 user configurable slots in the rear panel. Each slot can hold a 22-channel Universal Input Connector, allowing expansion to 44 or 66 channels to suit your needs. The connector plugs into any open slot in the 2638A. It has 22 input channels, including 20 universal inputs and 2 dedicated low-burden input current channels. Wiring a system setup for multiple channels can be time-consuming. With the inexpensive plug-in Universal Input Connector, you can wire your system once, quickly disconnect the connector from your Hydra, then reconnect the Hydra to another input connector for use in a different area. The 2638A features a large full-color display that enables the Hydra Series 3 to display comprehensive, easy-to-understand data in graph and table formats. Backlighted function keys always let you know your operating mode and recording status. Setting up a test with the 2638A is easy using the on-screen menu selections. All channel and test parameters are available from the front menu. The copy and paste feature makes setting up multiple channels of the same type an easy task. Chart real-time data on up to 4 channels at once. In the graph mode, you can zoom in and out or review history with a push of a button. All text in the menus and data display area is available in 9 languages. Change the language under the instrument setup area at any time with the push of a button. When you're not using your 2638A to acquire data, you can use it as a precision 6.5 digit multimeter. Front panel DMM style input jacks and dedicated DMM menu selections enable you to measure DC voltage, DC current, AC voltage, AC current, ohms, frequency, and temperature. The 2638A features 20 megabytes of onboard memory for storing more than 75,000 data records and configuration files. An onboard file management menu makes moving data or configuration files from internal or USB memory to your PC easy. A built-in USB port is also available to collect and store large files directly to a USB flash drive. The 2638A Hydra Series 3 is the only general-purpose portable data acquisition system with an IEC Category 2 safety rating to help protect you and your operators when making measurements on machinery in industrial areas. Do you need a larger system for data collection? No problem. The Fluke DAX 6.0 application software makes it easy to collect data from multiple channels and Hydra mainframes using the 2638A's built-in Ethernet or USB communication ports. No matter what your application, the Hydra Series 3 2638A will make your data collection tasks easier, more accurate, and safer than ever before. The Fluke 2638A Hydra Series 3 data acquisition system offers performance breakthroughs at a very reasonable price. To learn more, visit our website or contact your local Fluke sales representative.